Have you ever wondered if your mind could help your body heal? I know, it sounds almost magical, like something out of a sci-fi movie. But stick with me, today we're talking about a science-backed tool, visualization, and cellular regeneration. Let's start with the basics. Every second, millions of cells die and are replaced. Your skin, your liver, even your gut are constantly renewing. Scientists show thoughts and emotions can influence cells. That's where visualization comes in. Visualization is more than daydreaming. It's a focused practice where you imagine something so vividly, your brain and body struggle to tell imagination from reality. Olympic athletes use visualization to perform better. Could the same method help healing? Studies in psychoneuroimmunology show positive imagery can boost immune response, reduce stress, and speed recovery. Picture your cells repairing, dividing, and thriving. You're sending signals to your nervous system and healing mechanisms. Try this visualization exercise. Find a quiet spot, close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Imagine a warm golden light flowing through your body, reaching every cell. See the light energizing and repairing cells, removing what's damaged, encouraging new, healthy cells to grow. Visualize details. Feel the warmth, the movement, the renewal. It may feel odd at first, practice makes it natural. Science suggests these exercises create measurable body changes. Visualization isn't a replacement for medicine, it's an extra layer of support to boost what your cells already do. Think, your mind is the captain, your body is the ship, your cells are the crew. Clear, positive instructions help the crew perform. Visualization sends those instructions. If you're feeling run down or want to support natural healing, try visualization. Close your eyes, imagine cells regenerating, trust your mind-body connection. You might be surprised by what belief and practice can achieve. Thanks for watching. Tell me in the comments if this helped, and subscribe for more science-backed inspiration.